The sad news is it is very tough for you to job service social media management or social media marketing. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can still promote social media marketing using job servicing method. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. We all know that social media marketing is one of the most popular and high demand service right now, but unfortunately it is very difficult for us to job service social media marketing. However, there are still some social media services that we still can promote, and it falls under social media marketing. Plus, I will also be showing you my popular social media package that I have no problem using job servicing method. Before I dive into today's tutorial, let me explain to you the difference between social media marketing and social media management. I understand there are tons of confusion between these two services, so let's start with social media management. Social media management, as the title suggests, is to manage the social media account. So basically, if you are the social media manager, you have to take over the client's account and manage the whole social media account for your client. The jobs that you are supposed to do will be scheduling the post. Sometimes you may need to create the content as well, depending on your client's request. And you also need to manage the engagement. Basically, you need to respond to every comments or messages if there's any. In summary, social media management involves managing the full account and treating it as if the account is yours. And because you need to manage the whole account, it is very difficult for you to job service this social media management to another freelancer. This is because your client will be able to see your freelancer as one of the admin of that business page. Unless you are very transparent with your client and inform your client that that freelancer is part of your team, and you will be assigning this freelancer as part of your team as well. You can assign the freelancer as just the editor of the business page and you as admin. This works as well. So it is still possible if you want to job service social media management. As long as you give a heads up to your client regarding engaging your freelancer as part of the team and highlighting to the freelancer that we will be managing the social media account together. The key to a successful job servicing business lies in the communication. Especially if you want to sell social media management service, then communication is even more important because you are going to set up a team of freelancers together with you to manage your client's social media account. So now you have understand what is the job scope for social media management. Let me explain to you what is social media marketing. So as what the title suggests, social media marketing means you need to market the social media account, and it focuses on the growth of the social media account as well as to expand the reach. Social media marketing is one of the most effective marketing method used by many businesses. And that is the reason why this service is so popular and so high in demand. Literally every type of business uses social media marketing nowadays. You have many target audience to work with, from entrepreneurs to small business owners, medium business owners, as well as the big brands out there. This is because social media marketing is very effective and it helps businesses and brands grow their business. So that is the difference between social media management and social media marketing. There are many times that your prospective clients will ask for both services together. But if you are new to job servicing and you feel that this is too intimidating for you, then I would suggest you to just focus on social media marketing. It is easier for you to job service and it is very profitable as well. Now let me show you on Fiverr what are the social media marketing services that we can job service. Let's go to this digital marketing tab, and under this tab you can find social media marketing under this drop down here, and click on social media marketing. Under social media marketing, we can find there are a lot of different services that we can job service. But for job servicing sake, we only want to focus on 3 categories which we can job service. The first one will be the profile setup and integration. The second one will be social content, and the last one will be consultation and audience research. These 3 category under social media marketing are the ones that we can drop service. And let me show you why you can't drop service, for example, organic social promotions. This is because I have tried this before and it was a disaster. I'm not the only one who has encountered this. Many of the reviews in this, under this category, are actually complaining about the organic social promotions. So what they usually, the freelancer usually claims organic means that they do not use any bot to grow the specific social media account. So let me show you one of the example. Okay, so once I click into these organic social promotions, and let me click into one of the freelancer. Okay, this is a top rated seller. Okay, very good reviews. And let me show you his reviews, okay, one of the reviews. Yeah, the moment I click see all reviews, the first one is the problem that I faced before. So according to this review, she mentioned that he did a great job, but after a few days, Instagram banned me multiple times. Not sure if it was his fault because of too many interactions like following or unfollowing, or if it was something else. But I was too scared to keep working because I don't want to be banned again. Can you imagine if you are doing job servicing and your client will blame you for getting his or her social media account banned? It's not just about Instagram, there are other social media accounts as well. I have tried growing a YouTube channel using one of the Fiverr service whereby they say that they do not use any bots and they will grow the YouTube account organically. And I've tried a few freelancers. Every freelancer I engage, I have the same problem. The YouTube channel or the YouTube account was suspended and I received warnings as well. I hope you guys share this video to create the awareness. If you guys want to drop service or you want to grow your own social media account, do not engage this service, because I've tried so many freelancers on and using them on several different types of social media accounts, and this will happen. Okay, so this is very dangerous. Do not trust the word organic. All right. The next category I want to talk about will be the profile setup and integration. So this category is also easy to drop service. Basically, your client do not have any social media accounts. They want us to create an account, a new account for them. So this is pretty easy because you just need to set up the page. For example, if the client wants to set up a Facebook page, so you just need to ask the freelancer to help you to set up a Facebook page, which is pretty easy. So let me show you what is the profile setup is about. So it depends on what kind of social media accounts that your client wants you to set up for them. You can set up for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. You can find freelancer for each and every social media accounts that your client wants. Some freelancer even offer a few accounts. As you can see here, if you want to open more accounts, then the freelancer will charge more. Next we have is the social content. So for social content, it's the bulk of what you should have in your social media package. So social media content is when your client requests you to provide them with regular content. So for example, if your clients upload 3 times a week on Instagram, so your client wants somebody to come up with the content, right? So this one is very easy to find a freelancer, and many freelancers are doing this. So I will be your social media post creator. Please take note that for social media content, the freelancer is going to provide you with the content only. So they will give you the file, and sometimes they even give you the hashtags and also the description. So it depends on what your client needs are. So this is how the freelancer is going to charge you. For basic package, usually will be very basic things. They will probably give you a few posts, like 10 social media posts created, and also they will give you some hashtags or keywords to use for that post. As you go higher tier, which is the standard and the premium, then you can get more posts. Like for example, this one is $210 and you can get 30 social media posts created. So 30 social media posts created, you can do everyday one post, for example. So this is like a 1 month of a service you can offer to your clients, right? And finally, we have the consultation and audience research. So you can include this into your social media package as well. Let me show you what is this consultation about. Basically, we want to promote the growth strategy. That means we can actually propose a plan, a social media growth plan to your client. So one example is this. I will create an effective Instagram hashtag growth strategy. Basically, this is very easy to drop service because the business plan and the strategy is done by the freelancer, and the freelancer will give you a report and send it to you. So you can send the same plan to your client. So that's why I say this one is very easy for you to drop service. So as you can see here, for $20, you get a page evaluation, which means that he will help to evaluate the social media account. In this case will be the Instagram account, and then the action plan. So what is the strategy that can be used by your client to grow the Instagram account? So for $65, the premium package, you'll be getting an optimization, personalized strategy, and as well as some secrets. That means some tips for your client to grow the Instagram account. So now is the fun part. I'm going to show you the package based on the individual categories that I have explained just now. So I'm going to package that up and make it into a social media package so that you can promote this package. So here I have designed a social media starter pack. So for $1,200, I am actually providing my client the social media account makeover. This one falls under the channel evaluations. So just now under the social content, there are some freelancers that offer channel evaluation. So I will transform and revamp your Instagram. So for example, this one is $150. Revamping means they're going to make over the social media account. So there are a lot of freelancers that does this, so you can include this into your social media package. And the next item we have will be the research and audit. So this one, research will be the keyword research and as well as the action plan. So this research and audit plus the action plan comes together under one freelancer. So just now we saw one, which is this one. So usually they will give you a growth strategy. That means that one is your research, okay? Your research plus as well as they are going to give you a page evaluation. So that one is page evaluation is like an audit and an action plan. So under one freelancer, you are getting two things, all right? So you can list it down over here. And the next one will be 12 social media posts. So these are easily, you can find it in the social content. This 12 posts is basically 3 posts per week and for one whole month. So there's 12 posts. You can just find a freelancer to help you create 12 posts. But these are all just examples. You can change it accordingly. So for example, I found this social media posts, 13 to 15 posts design, and they charge only $70. So you can include this into this package, which is 12 social media posts. And then lastly, I will include in the one marketing video. So this marketing video, you can find it out of the social media marketing because marketing video is under video category. So once you're in Fiverr, you go under this video and animation tab, or you can also just search the video or marketing video. Okay, marketing video. So for marketing video, there are many types. I found this marketing video. Let's say you want to create a marketing video, an animated marketing video for your clients. Usually marketing video is about 1 minute marketing video. So if it's just 1 minute, then the freelancer is going to charge you $70. So this one, the range of this marketing video depends on what your client's requirements are. Now let us take a look at how much is the potential profit. So based on the social media package that I'm promoting will be $1,002. And based on the freelancers that I found for social media account makeover, for the makeover, I found this $100 for a standard social media makeover. And then the next one we have is the research and audit. For the research and audit, we have a $20. The action plan will be included inside the growth as well. And then for the content will be $70. Lastly will be the marketing video. Marketing video will be at $70. So let us calculate how much is the profit. Based on $1,200, we minus the $100 for the makeover and then $20 for the action plan. And then $70 for the content. Plus, lastly, will be another $70 for the marketing video. So it's just a rough figure, okay? So this one, it depends on your client's requirement, all right? You can state all the requirement. So this is just a gauge, all right? So $940 as your potential profit. Feel free to be creative when you are designing your own package. Try to be as unique as possible so that your client is not able to compare your pricing to another competitor's pricing. There are many more other services that are in demand and is highly profitable, just like what I've shown you today. And if you want to learn more about other services, I have more video tutorials over here, so make sure that you check them out. Thank you for watching today's video, and as usual, do leave your questions and comments down in the comment section below, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.